Hi everyone, this video is a run through on how to use Script AI for your consultations. So all you need to do is head to our website, which is scriptai.co. Click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you'll be led to a sign up page. Key in your email, create a password, and then click on sign up. You would be then prompted to choose a specialty and the language that you want for your notes. After that, you'll be taken into this main screen. So this is the working screen that you'll be seeing. When a patient comes in, ask for consent before beginning the consultation. You can say that today I'll be using an AI scribe. This will help me focus on you and it will be doing my note taking for me. Are you okay with that? If the patient consents, all you need to do is click on new consultation, click on start recording, and then Script AI will be working in the background. You can focus on your patient, have full eye contact, and then all the notes will be done at the end for you. So I'm going to run through this screen on what you can see. So before you start the consultation, you can preset the template that you want. So in this consultation, it's going to be soap. So here I've chosen soap, but if I want the template of this particular consult to be something else, all you need to do is go to the Note tab, go to your templates, and then you can create a template here. So if I want it to be called test, then I can choose soap or I can choose history. And for this, actually, I can rearrange the headings how I want it to be. And yeah, so today I'm going to call it test demo. And I'm going to set this as the default. And I want it to be in soap. And over here, you can add specific instructions. So for example, if HIV status was mentioned and you don't want to include that, then you can just say something like this. And then click on save, and this will save your template. So I'm not going to include this, but just note that you can add instructions to teach the system how you want the results to be. So I'm going to select test demo template. I'm going to click on save. And now I'm going to be using this template for our current demo. So imagine patient walks in. I'm going to click on new consult and start recording. So I'm just going to mimic a consult now. And just remember to allow microphones. Okay. So, hi Esther, what brings you in today? Yeah, I have a broken bone. Can you tell me more about can you tell me more about this? Did you fall down? How did this happen? Yeah, so I went to Greece for the first time and I went skiing for the first time. I didn't have a teacher and I fell down on the mountains while skiing. So you mentioned that this happened in Greece, correct? Yes, this happened in Greece. Okay. And how many days ago was this? So doctor, this was about 2 days ago. All right, thank you for sharing with me. I want to ask you a bit more about the pain. Can you tell me where the pain is? So the pain is on my legs. Okay. Do you have pain anywhere else? No, not much, just the leg. All right. So what we're gonna do is we can do an x-ray to check the bones. Right now I also want to ask you if you can rate the pain for me. So on a scale of 0 to 10, can you tell me how painful it is? So I will rate it a 10. Okay, wow, I'm really sorry to hear that. You must be in a lot of pain. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do an x-ray for both legs. I'm also going to order a blood test just to see if everything's okay. Then following the x-ray, we can see if it is a fracture or if it's something more serious. And then we can decide on the treatment from there. Okay. All right. Anything else, Esther? That's all, doctor. Thank you. Bye. So imagine that was with a patient face to face. Just click on finish. And the note turnaround time is pretty fast, even if the consult is a very long consultation. If it's more than 1 hour, the note will still come back in less than 30 seconds. So because we don't save audio, we give the clinician the ability to save the audio, as you can see with this pop-up here. So if I do want to save the audio, I can type in something here, but this will be saved locally on your computer. All right, so over here we have the note in the SOAP template. So subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. You can see that it states current issue, patient presents with broken bone after falling while skiing in Greece. And it has everything that was mentioned in the consultation, just as how a doctor would type. Remarks field, this is for non-verbal cues, where imagine in a psychiatry consult where you don't want to say something up front to the patient, or there's something you want to verbalize that you think in your head that you don't actually want to say out loud. This is a good place to type in remarks. For example, dressed inappropriately for the weather. This is something you can type in, and at the end when you press finish consult, so technically you would do this while the consult is running, then that will be taken into account into the final note. So that's remarks. Then we have the note. We also have patient instructions. If Esther wants something printed out, this will be very good for her. We also have a referral letter. If you are a GP writing a referral to a specialist, this can be very good. We also have a summary of the session, which is in a different format. DDX gives you an idea on what the condition could be. So if you're having trouble, thinking of what it could be, DDX will give you ideas on what the condition could be. Chat allows you to write whatever you want. So for example, if you want a medical certificate, if you want to ask questions on the consultation, chat is a really good place to say that. All you do is type in at the bottom here, and then the results will be up top. And transcript is the full conversation written verbatim, word for word. So yeah, I really hope this helps you in your clinical practice. A lot of doctors find that it saves them a lot of time. It allows them to move from consult to consult much faster, because as you can see, all the documentation is done right after the visit is over. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.